So we are just unboxing this amazing PetSafe ScoopFree Complete Plus self-cleaning litter box. Self-cleaning. I wish I had this back in the day when I, first got all my cats. One thing I just want to say really quickly, just to do a brief overview, because I want to do a complete unboxing, is you've got your tray button and power button here with your digital interface screen. And you've also got, this is what's really cool, is when I open this up, first of all, it's made with real care for user centricity. And you can tell that PetSafe really knows what they're doing and they care about pets and they care about pet owners. This thing was attached here, and when I removed that, you have this easy to follow step-by-step guide. I'll show you a little bit more in just a second, but I just wanted to kind of share with you how PetSafe really does a good job of caring about the end user. So one of the biggest factors when you're getting these kind of products is, assembly. Is it going to be one of those things where this is literally right out of the box? Once I remove this and you put the litter underneath, everything becomes really automated and super, super easy. So I'll show you more right now. Okay, so we lifted the top cover off. That is where the automatic self-cleaning mechanism is. And now we're pouring in the kitty litter that it came with. Ooh, that's a bright blue color, nice. And then we're gonna spread that out. My wife is doing that right there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the other tray back on it and plug it in, and then we're ready to go. All your kitty litter issues are solved with this amazing PetSafe self-cleaning litter box, which is awesome. Okay, now, here's the top portion. We're gonna put that on top. Just follow the quick step easy guide. So this one goes on top, and then we plug it in, I guess, right? There you go. Look at that. Bada boom, bada bing. Holy macadamia nut. Look how fast that was. Now we just got to put that right here. This little cover goes right here. Somehow connected to that. Can you connect that, Meg? Easy. 1, 2, 3, bada boom, bada bing. And then we plug it in. We got a plug over there. Let's see how far it'll go. Oh, it's a pretty long cord, actually, right? This thing kind of goes a long way. And then we're going to show you what it looks like. This is beautiful, though. Look how nice that looks.
So if you have one cat, it should last 20 to 30 days.
Yeah.
2 cats, 10 to 15 days. 3 cats, 7 to 10 days.
Right.
That's the recommendation.
I mean, this is really, really cool. Do we have a plug on that wall too, Meg, or no?
Where is it?
So the bottom of the litter box frame, that's where you're going to plug in your power adapter. Right there on the bottom of the litter box frame. I'm putting that right back on top. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. You got this beautiful, really pretty litter box. I mean, I've never seen a litter box. These cats today, man, they got it made.
We have cats that was just like sand and rocks.
Yeah.
This is like dust free. It absorbs the odors
Right.
better. It lasts longer. You don't have to replace it as often.
Excuse me, yeah. This thing is beautiful. Yeah, we're just going to slide it over so it can plug in and we can show you guys how this thing works. Pretty long power cord. Oh, look at that. It turned on automatically. You've got your interface right there with, it tells you exactly what it's measuring and how it's cleaning. Oh, that's so cool. Everything's automatic. That is so, so cool. And it deposits the used litter into a little, capsule basically at the bottom. That is so cool. And then you press it again, it does it reverse.
So this is the waste area.
Yeah. That is so
this is,
cool.
If you want to clean it, then it's going to go into this.
Oh, that is something else. I gotta tell you. You gotta love technology, yo. You got to love.
This is the waste trap.
This is the waste trap, yeah. Oh, look at that, it's getting, look at that. That is so cool. There it goes, into the waste trap, and then back. Wow. That is phenomenal. I think this would make a great gift too. If you know any cat lovers, anybody who owns cats out there, and I think it covers the smell amazingly well. Highly recommend this litter box from PetSafe. This is awesome.